Hey guys, it's Abraham yet again with another episode of Kicks and Fits. And today we're at the South Street location looking at the denim Air Foamposite ones. So the material they actually use on it, the upper is actually wrapped in denim, which is super dope. So what they actually did was with the denim upper, they sprayed it with some weather repellent that's gonna keep it clean and dry and away from the dirt that comes with the fall weather. They also added some touch of red on the sneaker, up on the nubuck with the Nike check, the pull tabs, and on the back as well. It makes the shoe pop a little bit more, gives it a bit of color and contrast. So let's go see what we got in the store. I'm gonna start off with the basics with the pants. So let's look around and see what's up, all right? Shh, screw it, I can finesse anything. All right, so listen. I found these Nike track pants right here, man. This is straight fall season aesthetic right here, man. I love it. It's super simple. The black, the red, which will complement the sneaker perfectly. I'm gonna finesse this fit, man, because that's all I do. So that's what we're gonna do, man. Now I wanna find the shirt. Is it weird if I go on Nike out? I'm looking around, guys, and I think I just fell in love, man, with this Nike jersey right here, man. Oversized fit, super dope, super simple, simplistic. You got the Nike sportswear, which I love, and I think this is a go, man. This is straight fire. You gotta sauce it up a little bit more. So, looking at the socks right now, something that goes unnoticed. You gotta have some fire sock game, man. It really adds to the fit. I'm thinking more of white socks. I think I'll just be super simple and go with these. So add these on to the bucket list. All right, guys, so I have everything I need for a fire fit. So let me go ahead and throw it on. I'll be right back. I'm back with the fit, man. It's something that I usually don't wear, but if I'm going out to ball, I'm going out to chill, this is something that I will wear, man. I love the track pants. It has the hits of red that'll complement the reds on the sneaker. And this Nike shirt, man, it's awesome, man. If I'm out there breaking some ankles, doing what I gotta do, man, I'm doing it in style. Let me know what you guys think, man. Leave a like, leave a comment, man. I'll see you guys next time on the next episode of Kicks and Fits.